Hey everybody, I don't do many longer form process videos, but I did a resto of my buddy Steve Mitchell's Bear. It got bugs in the base and rotted. I put a new base on it. So this is a video that contains that process. So hopefully you have time to check it all out and find it interesting. Have a great day. All right, I got a 7,300 square foot building, and I'm working in a little part of my garage here, and I'm jam full of stuff. It's just really nutty. I got bears everywhere. Look at this, bears. But my friend Steve is up here. He let his bear sit on the ground. It rotted. It got ants. I didn't think I was going to have to cut the whole base off, but I did have to cut it off. Here's a new base. So that's the plan. Put a new base on the bear and do a resto. No ants are in it now, so that's good. All right, let's see how this works. All right, so I'm feeling a little better about this now. I've decided to wrap a ratchet strap all the way around the bear. I've got the feet flat, the top of the block relatively flat. I've got the bottom hollowed out. I'm going to glue it up, shim it, and then put in timber locks. And this should work. So sometimes you can use a ratchet strap like a clamp. And this is one of those times. Nice. All right, this is a new trick for me. This is a propane space heater here. It's pretty amazing. It actually runs on a battery too. But with this, I can dry the surface out on this thing a little bit further than just the environment. So I'm going to try to get this bear to absorb a little bit of polyester resin. And in order to do that, I'm going to warm up the surface and get it nice and dry.